Welcome to our Flutter Programming Basics tutorial. In this video, we'll introduce you to the fundamental concepts of Flutter development and get you started on your journey to building cross-platform mobile apps. Flutter is an amazing framework developed by Google that allows you to create natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase. Let's dive in. Before we begin, it's important to understand that Flutter uses the Dart programming language. Dart is a versatile and easy-to-learn language that's used for writing code in Flutter. In Flutter, everything is a widget. Widgets are the basic building blocks of your Flutter app. They define how your app's user interface should look and behave. Widgets are organized in a hierarchical tree, and this widget tree determines the structure of your app. There are two main types of widgets in Flutter: stateless and stateful widgets. Stateless widgets. These widgets represent parts of the user interface that don't change over time. For example, a piece of text. Stateful widgets. These widgets can change or have internal state that can change over time. For example, a button you can press. Understanding when to use each type is crucial. That wraps up our basics of Flutter programming tutorial. You've learned about Dart, widgets, creating your first app, and hot reload. Now you're ready to explore more and build incredible cross-platform mobile applications with Flutter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy coding!